Yes, people, a very, very happy evening to all of you. Thank you so much. So, guys, we're doing this chapter called as Inventories, which actually is supposed to be called as Valuation of Inventories, which is governed by Accounting Standard 2. What have we completed so far? Types of inventories, done. Meaning of inventory, done. System of maintaining inventory, not done. Not done. Done. Okay, what is it? What are the two methods of maintaining inventory? Periodic method, periodic inventory system, or perpetual inventory system. Very good. Today, what are we going to learn? Methods of inventory valuation. Methods of inventory valuation. Very, 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 very important topic from the practical questions point of view. Methods of inventory valuation. This has got another name called as inventory valuation technique. Got it? Not got it? Make a note of this. Very, very important. Following are the methods or technique to calculate the cost of inventory. Cost of inventory. Okay. Listen now. I'll tell you something. But I'll not explain. I'll explain in the next class. Okay, wow. This is something that I've already told in 11th standard and 12th standard. Same point I'm repeating one more time. Today also I'll just repeat it. Explanation not today, in the next class or next to next class as the time permits. In the trading account, we record closing stock, buy closing stock. Okay, wow. Other value. How do we calculate? So accounting standard 2 says that inventory is valued at cost or NRV, whichever is lower. Accounting standard 2 says that you cannot just record the cost directly. No. Inventory should be valued at cost or NRV, whichever is lower. Same statement I've told in 11th also and 12th. 12th I don't remember where, but 11th confirm I've told. Whichever is lower. Now, accounting standard 2 is going to guide us. How do we calculate the cost? If you think cost is what, sir? இந்த பேனா வாங்கியிருக்கேன் எதுக்கு விற்கிறதுக்கு I purchased this pen for selling purpose. So I purchased this pen for 10 rupees. I have not sold it. It is unsold. Upon a closing stock. What is the cost? 10 is what you will think. But accounting standard 2 says that the cost of an inventory is not just the purchase price. Along with that, we have to make certain adjustments. So this accounting standard or this chapter is going to teach us how do we calculate the cost of inventory. Got it? Not got it? Then we will learn in some class how do we calculate the NRV of the inventory. Then we'll understand why do we take lower. You can take cost itself, no? Why are you taking cost and comparing with NRV? You have taken higher, no? Why are you taking lower? Got it? Not got it? All the masala I have to discuss. So today what are we going to discuss is that the following are the methods or techniques to calculate the cost of inventory. In the cost கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு டெக்னிக் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது வந்து படிக்க போறோம். Got it? Not got it? Tell no. Now, under this, they have bifurcated into two categories. One is called as historical cost method. அதாவது இந்த inventory valuation technique இருக்கு இல்லையா, this is bifurcated into two categories. One is called as historical cost method. Another is called as non-historical cost method. What is first one called as? Historical cost method. Second is called as non-historical cost method. Now, what is meant by historical cost method? What is meant by historical cost? Very good. Others, what is meant by historical cost? The purchase price of the asset is called as historical cost. Simple as I told this example, no? Pen. This pen I purchased for 10 rupees. So what is the entry for purchase of the goods? Purchase account debit to cash, bank or creditor, 10 rupees. This 10 rupees called as historical cost. Historical cost means what? The cost paid to acquire the asset is called as historical cost. Okay, not okay? One more example I'll tell you. Let's suppose I'm buying land. I'm buying land for 1 lakh rupees. When did I buy this land? 1/4/2021, let's suppose. What is the entry for purchasing land? Land account debit to cash or bank. Imagine the land is purchased for 10 lakh rupees. Got it? Not got it? Now, in 2022 balance sheet, the land will be reflecting at 10 lakh. This is called as historical cost. If you take the balance sheet of 2023, Still land will be at 10 lakh historical cost. Got it, not got it. So what does historical cost mean? The cost incurred to acquire the asset is called as historical cost, which is history means what? Past acquisition cost. That is called as history. History means past only, no? Past acquisition cost of the asset is called as historical cost. Is okay or not okay? Tell no. Fantastic. So when an entity considers historical cost method as a base to calculate the cost, then how do we calculate is what we are going to learn. But what is non-historical cost? Apo, in this case, the cost of the inventory is going to be other than the historical cost. How it is derived, we have to think. Historical cost is available. ஒரு பேனா 10 ரூபாய் வாங்கிருக்கே அப்படின்னா இதுதான் historical cost. It is available. But in this case, historical cost is not available. So what are we taking? Non-historical cost. Now the question is, how do we compute non-historical cost? That is what we're going to learn under this method. புரிஞ்சுதா? Tell no. Next question that comes to your mind is, sir, how sir ஒரு asset-க்கு வந்து historical cost இல்லாம இருக்குமா? இருக்கும்ல. If it is there, then only this method should come. No. Which entity is there who does not have the historical cost? Everybody will have no, sir. Like that, you'll have doubt. Yes or no. But for that, you have to wait. When I do non-historical cost method, automatically you'll understand what I mean here. Okay, not okay. In today's entire session, my focus is going to be on historical cost. Historical cost. So what is historical cost or non-historical cost method? So it is a inventory valuation technique. One more time I'm asking, what is historical cost method or non-historical cost method? It's a inventory valuation technique, or we call as these are the methods for inventory valuation. Any doubts? No doubt. Okay. Under historical cost method, they have given two scenarios. They have given two cases. They have given two circumstances. உனக்கு இந்த circumstances apply ஆகுது நீ apply பண்ணிக்கோ. உனக்கு அப்படின்னு நீ யாரு? You are a business. You are an entity. You are a business. You are an entity. You are a business. You are an entity. Out of these two scenarios, which scenario is applicable for you? That scenario you apply. Okay, what is the first scenario? First scenario is that scenario where inventories are not ordinarily interchangeable. Inventories are not ordinarily interchangeable. In the term படிக்கும்போது உன்னோட மைண்ட்ல என்ன வருது? What does this term strike in your mind? One is called as inventory ordinary interchangeable. உனக்கு என்ன புரியுது இந்த termல இருந்து? You tell me. What does your common sense says? What this could be? Even if you're wrong, it's okay. It doesn't matter. Order? You're telling this has got something to do with the order. Okay. Order ku cost kena connection. Some connection to cost. Easily? No. 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 Inventory not ordinarily interchangeable. Replaceable? Inventory changes every time over here. No. Okay. Let me give you two examples. When I'm giving example of Tata Motor. Okay. Tata Motor. You take any Tata Motor ka showroom. And the showroom they'll have some display cars. Yes or no? If you take any car showroom, the showroom has the display cars. Okay. Do they have the stock of the cars? Yes. And the showroom pinnadi or little bit somewhere far off, they will take one yard. It's a big open yard where all the cars are stacked. Purida. So for example, Tata, can you tell me what are the different types of brand under Tata? I mean, what type of cars are there in Tata? Which is the latest one now? Sierra. Okay. Sierra is one model of Tata car. Next. Curve. Okay. Then Harrier. Then Safari. Very good. Punch is giving really tough punch to the competitors in the market. Porum. Eniki idu porum. Hey, my car you left, yeah. What is that, my car? Tiago. Pavanana. Yes or no? Porum. Nariya irukku. Okay. Now, in the Tata yard, all this car model is stacked. that too multiple colors are there. அப்போ எவ்வளோ பெரிய இடம் இருக்கு யோசிச்சு பாருங்களேன். அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு 1 acre 2 acre ஆகுது இடம் வேணும். Because so many car we have to stack of so many model, so many what you called colors are there. நிறைய ரேஞ்ச் இருக்கு, டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வெரைட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் ரேஞ்ச் இஸ் தேர். ஓகேவா? ஸோ யார்ட்ல என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, திஸ் இஸ் டாடா சியரா. இந்த ரோல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபுல்லா சியரா. விச் கலர்? விச் கலர் சியரா? விச் வில் லைக்? இல்லடா, அதுக்கு பேர் ஏதாவது புதுசாக போட்டிருக்காங்களே, மவுண்டைன் மிஸ்ட். மவுண்டைன் மிஸ்ட். வால்நட் பிரவுன் எல்லாம் கிடையாதுமா. கர்வ் யூ ஹேவ். ஓகே ஓகே, ஷீ இஸ் சேயிங் கர்வ் வால்நட் பிரவுன் இஸ் தேர். ஓகே, ஸோ கர்வ் வால்நட் பிரவுன். இது கர்வ். சரியா? ஓகே, I'll put C itself. No, it becomes easy. அங்க ஸ்பேஸ் பத்தலன்னு சொல்லிட்டு கர்வ் இங்க போட்டிருக்காங்க. That's all, little bit. Then besides that, few punch they have put. Punch இங்க இடம் பத்தலன்னு சொல்லிட்டு few punch they have put here also. Any problem? Then Harrier. Space இல்லைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு some Harrier is there here also. Any problem? Which means we have mixed match all the inventories. எல்லாத்தையும் வந்து மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஒன்னால வந்து எது என்ன பிராண்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் only, which model? Can you still figure it out? In this ground, there are nearly about 300 cars, all put together, 300 cars. I've all interchanged. I am telling you to segregate and tell me how many Sierra car is there of white color, how many Sierra is there of green color, how many Sierra is there for red color, how many curve of this color, how many curve of that color, how many Harrier of this color, how many Harrier of that color. ஒன்னால segregate பண்ண முடியுமா பண்ண முடியாதா? Even though I've interchanged and kept everything, I've mixed matched and kept everything, will you be in position to separately identify them? Possible, not possible? 100% possible. 100% possible. If the inventory is of such items or such nature, we call that inventory not ordinarily interchangeable. நீ என்ன மிக்ஸ் பேட்ச் பண்ணி வச்சா கூட என்னால பிரிக்க முடியும். So you cannot get confused. Got it, not got it? Tell me. On what basis are you segregating? One based on model name, based on color, yes or no? More specifically, based on their C number. What is C number? Chassis number. What is it? Chassis number. அப்போ what is chassis? கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? Every vehicle will have a unique number called as chassis number. அப்போ what is chassis? What is chassis? It is the skeleton of the car. What is it called as? Skeleton of the car. You know what is skeleton? All of you know what is skeleton? What is it? It'll be something like this. இப்போ நம்ம உடம்பு இருக்கு இல்லையா? Imagine if you don't have skeleton, bone இல்லை அப்படின்னா நம்ம பாடி எப்படி இருக்கும்? துணி தொங்குற மாதிரி இருக்கும். நீ வந்து ஒரு வயர்ல துணி தொங்க வச்சு எப்படி இருக்கும்? அப்படி 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 இருக்கும். காத்துல அப்படி டுங்கு 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 டுங்குன்னு. Yes or no? So what is the job of skeleton? To give a shape to the body. To give a shape to the body. Hand அப்படின்னா because of skeleton it is in this shape. Yes or no? Right. ரைட்டா? அதே மாதிரி this is called as skeleton of the car. In this skeleton only everything is fit. அப்போ இந்த இடத்துல தான் கரெக்டாக உனக்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த வீல் இடத்துல கரெக்டாக வீல் வரும். ரைட்? The entire metal frame is attached. நிறைய fitments will come. Got it, not got it? So this skeleton of a car will have a separate number called as a chassis number. This is called as chassis. Every car will have a unique chassis number. Like உனக்கு எப்படி ஆதார் இருக்கு இல்லையா? For your identification there is one Aadhaar number. To identify one car there is the Aadhaar number of car which is called as chassis number. Got it, not got it? So on the basis of chassis number we'll be able to segregate it. Got it, not got it? Tell no. How am I able to segregate them? Because இந்த மாதிரி பொருட்கள்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா they'll be low in volume. It is countable. Got it, not got it? Low in volume. எவ்வளோ இருக்கு? 200, 300, 400. Still countable. Got it, not got it? Tell no. But there are some stocks which you cannot count. For example, if you go to any provision store, let's say DMart போறீங்க, நீலகிரிஸ் போறீங்க அப்படின்னா, there'll be one particular section of provisions. அவங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா there'll be big barrel. அந்த barrel என்ன பண்ணிருப்பா அப்படின்னா, let's say அந்த பாஸ்மதி ரைஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, பாஸ்மதி ரைஸ், they'll buy big what do you called rice bags, bags of rice they will buy, அந்த பெரிய பெரிய barrelல ஊத்துவாங்க அப்படியே. புரியுதா? So this is basmati rice. Next day one new load will come. Next day one new load will come. Again they'll put here. One on the other. Next day one more new barrel will come. That is new bag will come. Again they will stack it. Can you sit and count? How many rice beats are there? Or which part of the rice is come from which bag? This is come from this batch. This is come from this batch. உன்னால பிரிக்க முடியுமா? முடியாது. அப்பனா these are such inventories which gets ordinarily interchangeable. நான் mix பண்ணிட்ட அப்படின்னா உன்னால segregate பண்ண முடியாது. Because these are high in volume. High in volume. கரெக்ட் தானே? இந்த பேரல் மட்டும் உன்னால கவுண்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா? ஒரே பேரல் தான், ஒரே இடம். Can you count? Not possible. So there are some inventories in the industry which inventories are ordinarily interchangeable. நீ mix பண்ணிட்டேன்னா உன்னால segregate பண்ண முடியாது. Got it, not got it? Tell no. Imagine if you go to any big departmental store like DMart, வேற என்ன மார்ட் இருக்குப்பா? Lulu Mall. Correct? No. Now, Lulu Mall. இங்கப்பா. Okay. ஒரு particular rack இருக்கும். If you go to any big DMart or Lulu Mall, no, there'll be one rack full of biscuits. பக்கத்துலயும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா உனக்கு பிஸ்கெட்ஸ் இருக்கும். பாத்தீங்களா? அதாவது அந்த ஒன் கவுண்டர் ஃபுல்லா, அந்த லென்த் ஃபுல்லா பாத்தீங்கன்னா full of biscuits. அந்த one side full of biscuits. Is the biscuit of one company or multiple companies? Multiple companies. Can you name me one biscuit company? Britannia. Very good. Britannia. Is Britannia launched only one biscuit or multiple biscuit brand? Multiple. ITC also is one company. ITC or any famous biscuit that you can name? Bourbon yaar ba? Bourbon. Britannia. Okay. Bourbon. Anything else? Britannia. Any other? Britannia? Milk Bikis. Very good. Milk Bikis. Yes or no? Now, Britannia biscuit, அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வரும்போது, they'll neatly organize. Okay, this section is for Bourbon, this section is for Milk Bikis. Sometimes what happens, stocks நிறைய வந்துடும். அடம் பத்தாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இங்க வேற ஏதாவது பிஸ்கெட் போட்டிருப்போம், பக்கத்துல இதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டாக் போட்டிருப்போம். Then what happens, நீ எல்லாம் நீட்டா அடிக்கிட்ட, ஓகே, கஸ்டமர் வருவான், he'll take one biscuit from here. If he doesn't like, no, அவன் என்ன பண்ணுவான், அவன் எங்க கை எட்டுதோ அங்க வெஸ்ட் போயிடுவான். So everything he will mix. Everything he'll mix. Like that, imagine how many biscuits of how many brand. In departmental store, only biscuit is the product. How many product? You cannot even count in your fingers. That much varieties of products are there. Everything is mixed matched. Though they have separate counters, mixing irkulla. For example, today, Britannia biscuit, what it has come, or let's say Bourbon, it's come from one particular batch. நாளைக்கு ஒரு புது லோட் வருது, that is coming from some other batch. It has some other expiry period. After 1 month, there'll be some other batch of new stock coming in. அதோட expiry period வந்து வேற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Yes or no? Rate மாறுது, inflation மாறுது. 2 months before, what Bourbon biscuit came, the cost of that was for me 9 rupees. Today it is 10 rupees. எல்லாமே கலந்து மிக்ஸா இருக்கு. Yes or no? Tell no. Yes. In this case, how will you be able to segregate? Is it possible to sit and segregate? No. Such kind of inventories, we say that they are inventories ordinarily interchangeable. புரியுதா? என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் புரியுதா உனக்கு? I will understand the difference. Okay. I'll give one more example. There is one business entity which has got multiple land. They have got one land in Delhi. It's a business entity. It's a multinational company. Let's take example of ITC. ITC, huge company. You take any best Tata Motors எடுத்துக்கோங்களேன். Tata Motors, they have showroom across the country. Imagine they have a policy that we should not be on a rented premises. Whatever the showroom outlet is there should be on our own land. Got it? அப்பனா டெல்லியில they've got one land. For example, I'm taking. Then Mumbai, one land. Kolkata, one land. Chennai, Coimbatore, Tiruchi, Madurai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Tell city name fast. Vijayawada, Ahmedabad, Surat, Jaipur. பே தமிழ்நாடு சொல்லுங்கடா. இங்க இருந்து நம்ம இங்க பத்தி பேசுவோம். சேலம், ஈரோடு, திருப்பூர், ஓகேவா, தஞ்சாவூர், மதுரை போட்டேன், கன்னியாகுமரி, திருவனந்தபுரம், ஓகேவா. டெல் மீ பீப்பிள், இந்த இடத்துல என்ன இருக்கு? எனக்கு லேண்ட். எனக்கு அப்படி நாட் எனக்கு. தட் இஸ் ஃபார் டாடா கம்பெனி. லேண்ட் இஸ் தேர். எஸ் ஆர் நோ? டெல் நோ. Now I took a wrong example. Instead of Tata, can I make it? Can you tell me any real estate company's name? Any real estate company's name? Any real estate company name? G Square. Okay. Oh, super. G Square. Now G Square has got land in multiple places. Yes or no? Okay. எதுக்கு G Square வந்து land வாங்கியிருக்கான்? விக்கிறதுக்கு boss. He's purchased the land so that he can sell it. Appo anything that we buy with the intention to sell, it is my goods, means inventory. Okay, not okay. Now he has to do valuation of the land as per accounting standard 2. Now my question to all of you, in the land irukku illaya, land is inventory for G Square because he is buying with the intention to sell it. It is inventory. Unsold land inventory. How will he value? Historical cost method. Adula வந்து ரெண்டு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு. Inventory ordinarily interchangeable, inventory not ordinarily interchangeable. Which is this? If I mix all the land, என்கிட்ட நிறைய land documents இருக்கு, எல்லாத்தையும் mix பண்ணிட்டேன். How much are properties there? No, there'll be a property document. Yes or no? There'll be a property document. எல்லாத்தையும் நான் என்ன பண்ண தெரியுமா, ஃபைல்ல போட்டேன். ஆனா எல்லாத்தையும் mix பண்ணிட்டேன். I've interchanged everything. Still you can. Very good. Still what are you saying? Still sir, we can identify. Got it, not got it. We can still identify because over land ku pathina there's a description, there's a separate registration number, stamp duty fee paid, everything is separately identifiable. Possible, not possible? Tell no. Illa asset ku individual registration number undu. Therefore how much ever you mix the document and keep, still we are in position to search it. So accounting standard 2 says that if you come across any inventory which is not ordinarily interchangeable, then you are supposed to do valuation of inventory for them as per specific identification method. As per specific identification method. Got it, not got it? Tell me. Okay. One more example. You go to a jewelry showroom. We'll take Tanishq. That entire showroom is full of gold jewelry with diamond studded, what do you call it, stones. Girls oda face பாருங்க. Boys oda உருண்டு இருக்காங்க. Girls oda jolly. Oh my god. If you go inside the jewelry showroom, multiple jewelries are there. Diamond studded jewelries are there. புரியுதா? That is one entire rack. This rack full of diamond jewelries. One side only gold, one side only silver. Example சொல்றேன். இப்போ these diamond jewelries, there are many number. Let's say மொத்தமா 300 jewelry மேல இருக்கு. 300 plus are there. Now you are auditor of Tanishq. சரியா? Okay. First of all, these jewelries are there your inventory? Yes, because these jewelries are purchased or manufactured with intention to sell. So unsold part of them is going to be your inventory, closing inventory. This value pannom as per AS2. So my question is, are these interchangeable, ordinary interchangeable or not ordinary interchangeable? நான் எல்லாம் mix பண்ணி இவ்ளோ இருக்கு, எல்லாம் mix ஆயிடுச்சு. Still you can identify. ஏன்னா ஒவ்வொரு ஜுவல்லரிக்கு மேல தனி tag இருக்கு. The tag has got a separate registration number or identification number. Got it, not got it? And these are countable. நீ 300 சொல்ல 300 கவுண்ட் பண்ண முடியும். நீ 500 சொல்ல 500 கவுண்ட் பண்ண முடியும். Where we cannot count things like basmati rice, oil, it is not countable. புரியுதா? So where something which can be counted within a given number of time, then we can say it is not ordinary interchangeable. அப்படியே interchange பண்ணா still we can segregate them and identify their cost very easily, very conveniently. ஒன்னால வந்து இதோட காஸ்ட் வந்து தனியா செக்ரிகேட் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். Got it, not got it? சேம் வே லேண்டோட பேப்பர் நீ என்ன மிக்ஸ் பண்ணாலும் அது தனியா செக்ரிகேட் பண்ணி இதோட காஸ்ட் இது அப்படிங்கறது என்னால ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ண முடியும். கார், how much you mix in the yard? Still I can segregate them. I can identify what is the cost of each car independently, separately. Got it, not got it? அப்போ I give 3 example. One, I gave example of car. Second, I gave example of land which is inventory. Okay, wow. Third, I gave example of jewelry. All these are inventory. இதெல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா are those inventory which are not ordinary interchangeable. These are generally low in volume. Generally low in volume. புரியுதா? volume என்ன? I can count it very easily. Those are low in volume and generally are high in value. Car value 5 lakh, 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh, 25 lakh. That is the cost. If you take diamond jewelry, 20,000, 40,000, 80,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, depending on what type of ornament it is, its price is high in value. Same thing if you take third example is for what? Land also value what? 1 crore, 50 lakh, 30 lakh, 2 crore, 3 crore, and the money it is high in value. So if that is the case, we say that on those items, the cost to be derived, for that what method will be applied? Specific identification method. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. Now, those inventories which are ordinarily interchangeable, which gets mixed easily, those are generally high in volume, low in value. Biscuits, high in volume, low in value. 10 rupee, 15 rupee, 20 rupee. Got it? Not got it? You take any item in DMart, those are high in volume, low in value. In that case, how do we derive their cost? So for that, 4 methods has been suggested in your CA foundation, of which 2 are suggested by your accounting standard 2. Accounting standard 2 emphasizes majorly on 2 things. First is called as FIFO, first in, first out method. And the second thing what they emphasize is weighted average method. Ana LIFO and SAM is simple average method. These 2 are given at the foundation level. Now why they're given, I'll make you understand. If you take the original accounting standard and read, they say that to derive the cost of such inventories, we can use either FIFO method or weighted average method. These are the most appropriate method suggested by accounting standard 2. But if you are an organization who believes that, no sir, in my business, if I apply the LIFO only, the cost of such inventory can be properly derived, can be fairly derived, you can go with LIFO. Got it? Not got it? LIFO stands for last in, first out. And SAM is simple average method. So based on this, we are going to do questions today. If I have inventories which are ordinarily interchangeable, in that case, how do I get the cost of those items? Either by using FIFO method or LIFO method or weighted average or simple average method. Got it? Not got it? If my inventories are not ordinary interchangeable, then what is my method of deriving the cost? Specific identification method, which is called as SIM. All of you know SIM card. Specific identification method. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. Online people, tell no. Last warning for those people, those are keeping your video switched off. I'll put in waiting room with no warning next time. Girindra, Swayam, Sailesh. All 3 of you will go in waiting room. Now.
I'm going to fast this.
Okay. Now, can we do questions based on this? Unfortunately, based on specific identification method, there is no question in your ICA module. So for my satisfaction and your satisfaction, I've given one question. Paklama? Okay. If you take your scanner, ACE, that is inventories ka scanner, last, if you come at the end, I've given examples. After the scanner questions, there are some theory, if I'm not wrong, true and false. So these are the practical questions. True and false. After true and false is over, some theory will come. After that, I've given examples. So example 1 is for specific identification method. It says that Kalpavriksha Tata Motors. Oh my God. Kalpavriksha Tata Motors. Possible, not possible? When SGA Tata Motors can come, when TAFE Tata Motors can come, when SRT Tata Motors can come, why can Kalpavriksha Tata Motors can come? It also can come. So I have one business called as Kalpavriksha Tata Motors. Those who don't know, understand this. I am an authorized dealer of car. I am sharing the purchases and the sale details as follows. இந்த வருஷத்துல நான் வாங்கின காருக்கும் வித்த காருக்கு டீடைல்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஓகேவா? From the following details, find out the value of closing stock. Actually speaking, the right term is not value. Find out the cost of closing stock. How do we do the value? For doing the valuation, I need cost. Then I'll compare this with NRV. In this, I'll take lower, higher. Lower ma, you'll take lower. Then only the value will come. Are we going to apply the accounting standard 2 to do the valuation? No. So what is the intention behind specific identification method? To help us derive the cost of the inventory. Got it, not got it? So cut the value and write cost of the closing stock. Value cut பண்ணிட்டு write cost. Got it, not got it? You know why I've changed my angle? I'm sitting here. Got it, no? Got it. Very good. Smart people. Now, vehicle chassis number is given because it is its unique identification number. ஒரு காரை வந்து செப்பரேட்டா ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா that can be done only on the basis of chassis number because it is a unique number allocated for each and every car. So for the first chassis number, the cost is 5,50,000. Got it, not got it? If you take Tata Sierra, there is not one car, boss. There are 50 car of that. And the 50 car ஒரே color, white color. How do I know which car is costing what? சில டைம் என்ன வந்து தெரியுமா? லாஸ்ட் இயர் வந்து டாடா சியரா கார் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா காஸ்ட் இஸ் 550. This time the raw material cost is increased. Should become 6 lakh. Upon that white color Tata Sierra car, there are multiple cars which is coming from multiple batches with multiple cost. அப்ப அதோட காஸ்ட் என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது தெரியணும் அப்படின்னா for that an unique number has to be allocated which is called as chassis number. Got it, not got it? Tell no. Cost of this is 550. This is there still in stock. Means I've purchased it but not sold it. It is still lying unsold in my godown or let's say warehouse or let's say what is that, yard stock. Like that, this chassis number cost is 451. It is sold. For this chassis number cost is 565. Sold. For this chassis number 620. Stock. For this chassis number, this is the cost. Sold. For this chassis number, this is the cost. Stock. You have to tell me. You tell me this inventory. For this inventory or this inventory is ordinarily interchangeable or not ordinary interchangeable? Not ordinary interchangeable. அப்படிங்க என்ன? நீ எல்லாம் மிக்ஸ் மேட்ச் வைங்க, என்னால செப்பரேட்டா செக்ரிகேட் பண்ணி இதோட காஸ்ட் இதுதான் அப்படிங்கற சொல்ல முடியும். Got it, not got it? So these are inventories not ordinary interchangeable. In such case, how is the cost computed? Using SIM. SIM means what? Specific identification method. ஒண்ணு இல்ல. In this identify, which are all the stock unsold? 1, 2, 3. Take its corresponding value, cost 620 and 523. Add all the three. It becomes the total cost of these unsold inventory. Got it, not got it? So cost of unsold inventory is equal to how much now? 550 plus 620 plus 523. 16 lakh 93,000. Any big difficulty here? Now you understood why ICA is not given any question based on this. This is Amul baby question, boss. Will such question come in your ICA examination? வந்தா பாஸ் பண்ணிடுவீங்களே? அவ்வளோ ஈஸியா கொடுத்துடலாமா? No. Okay, one more question from my side. What is the cost of goods sold? வித்த பொருளோட காஸ்ட் என்ன? 451, 565, 439. So cost of goods sold is how much? 14 lakh 55,000. Any big difficulty here? Tell no. Tell no. Got it? Now, in the closing stock value, COGS derive பண்றதுக்கு வந்து as an entity of two choices. Either you can maintain perpetual inventory system or periodic inventory system. புரியுதா? Either you can maintain perpetual inventory system or periodic inventory system. உன்னோட கெப்பாசிட்டி பொறுத்து. உன்னால அதிகமா செலவு பண்ண முடிஞ்சா go for perpetual. If you can spend huge money on software, SAP, 50 lakh I said last class. Second, you have to appoint a security guard for GRN. Then another staff for doing QC work. Another staff for maintaining GRN. நாளைக்கு அவன் லீவ்ல போயிட்டானா you have to have a replacement. For replacement, you have to hire an agency. Tell him that if this person goes on leave, immediately put another person. For him, you have to give separate charges. அந்த மாதிரி உன்னால செலவு பண்ண முடியும். Please, you can take care of proper things because this process comes with a lot of technicalities. If you can manage all this, go with perpetual inventory system or else go with periodic inventory system. So periodic inventory system or perpetual inventory system will help you to derive the quantity of the inventory. Value or clear cost that will come from specific identification method. It will come from specific identification method. Got it, not got it? So periodic or perpetual inventory system is going to help you to derive the quantity of the inventory. Whereas specific identification method, FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SAM, these methods are called as valuation methods. Valuation method means what? How to calculate the cost of the inventory. Cost of the inventory. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. No. Okay, va? No. Next is about those inventories which are ordinarily interchangeable. If your inventories are ordinarily interchangeable, abdina, you're not able to identify them separately. If you cannot identify them separately, means you cannot identify their individual cost because everything is got mixed up. Which is what cost you don't know. In that case, what are you supposed to do? Either you follow FIFO, LIFO, WAM, and SAM. Now, here also, depending on your capacity, you can maintain the inventory under periodic inventory system or perpetual inventory system. Got it? Not got it? Which means if you are following perpetual inventory system, that will help you to derive the quantity. How to value that quantity? Either using FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SAM. Adhe mari, periodic method will help you to give the quantity. In the quantity, enna value multiply panno, that will come from FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SAM. Got it? Not got it? So 4 plus 4, how many varieties in total? 8 varieties of questions we have to work out. Got it? Not got it? Is easy. Okay, va? Okay. Sir, perpetual inventory find out pandradhukku, what is the format? The exact same format that we used in the last class. What format? Date column, particulars column, then I forgot. Opening varade. Issue. Then either, sorry, receipt, that is purchase, then issue or sale. If I'm into production abdina, raw material will be issued, not sold. But if it is for traded goods, then I sell the product. Purida. Third column will be either issue or sale. Last is what? Closing stock. Okay, wow. So can we do some questions based on that? So for that also, please take your scanner. Example 2. It says that calculate the cost of goods sold. Aha. Calculate the cost of goods sold. Shortly and sweetly, I call this as COGS. What do we call it as? COGS. And the value of the closing inventory. To be, see, they will say value only, but in mind you bear it, they want cost. Got it? Not got it? Now, this they have to value under FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SAM. All the 4. Put one arrow mark and write SAM. Under all the 4 methods, I want the answer. When the closing stock is 3000 kg, avane closing stock 3000 kg kuduthana. Eppadi vanduchu? How did you get to know closing stock is 3000? Either by using periodic method or perpetual method, you got to know the quantity. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. Or through physical verification, you got to know the quantity. Okay, wow. Now, imagine we are following perpetual method. Under that FIFO, how do we do it? Is what we're going to see now. Okay, wow. So let's see the given information. What are they given? Multiple dates they've given. On 1st March, opening balance is 3000 kg. What item is this? You tell me. What item is this? Nee solradhu per vechikalam. 3000 kgs of what? Whatever you like. Rice, very good. 3000 kgs of rice. So we are a rice dealer. Okay. So in the opening of March, 3000 kgs of rice were there. Adoda cost in therima 20 rupees per kg. Okay, not okay. Then on 3rd March, we have purchased again 5000 kg at a costing of 19 per kg. 5th March sold 1000 kg. Oh, you rate not given. Mistake in the question. When you sell the product, you sell at the sale value, selling price. And selling price venuma. To calculate inventory, do I need the selling price? Yes. But when I do NRV ka calculation, now we are doing calculation of cost. When I do calculation of cost, do I need the selling price? Not required. Got it? Not got it? So ஒரு பொருள் வித்தா அதோட காஸ்ட் என்னன்னு நமக்கு வேணும். So I want cost of goods sold. அப்ப cost is somewhere this or this. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. Okay, va? Oh. So like that, purchase details, sales details is given. Okay, va? Now they're telling us to calculate the value of inventory. In short, they're asking us to calculate the cost using FIFO method under perpetual inventory system. Clear or not clear? Tell no. Fantastic. Take a fresh page. I'll draw the format first. You see how much space you want to leave. First is date. Particulars column, if you want, you can write it, or else you can ignore also. I'm doing it for a reason. In exam, you may choose not to do it also. Either it is sale or issue. நீ பொருள் வாங்க வித்தேன் அப்படின்னா third column is sale column. Sorry, fourth column is sale column. But if you are buying raw material with the intention to send it to the production department, means you are issuing to the production department. Hmm? Hmm. But this is very easy. It's not like your prorata table. Okay, people, I understand emotion. Control now. Okay. Now, in exam, if you cannot fit this in one page, முடிஞ்சா நல்லதுதான். But if you cannot fit in one page, don't try to forcefully fit in one page like Kancha Pisnari. Got it, not got it. My handwriting is a little big. So when I was writing exam, when such big tabular column used to come, no, what I used to do, no, see, answer book, unnod answer sheets irukliya. You know, in board exam, you got booklet. Same way, here also it is booklet only, book form. Okay, wow. What I used to do is that this was the page அப்படின்னா நடுவில் partition. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. Correct? You can flip. If the tabular column was short, I have to do it here itself. But sometimes there is to be multiple tabular column, which I cannot fit in that one page. So you have two choice. ஒன்னா நீ பேப்பர் என்ன பண்ணுவேன் திருப்புவேன். That is not advisable. So what I used to do is that I used to take the tabular column and draw it across the both pages, across both the pages. Got it, not got it. This way it is convenient for the person who is correcting the paper also. Because when they flip the page, no, and the booklet மாதிரி இருக்கும் left right ஒட்டுக்கா தெரியும். So it goes in series and sequence to understand. புரிஞ்சுதா? Got it, no? Some people will say, ஐயோ பாவையா கீழே இருக்க ஸ்பேஸ் வேஸ்டா போயிடுச்சு, காசு கொடுத்தல்ல, அப்புறம் என்ன? Don't feel for all that. If you are to utilize space means utilize properly. Don't feel, oh, you tree பாவம், tree எவ்வளவு கஷ்டப்பட்டுச்சு இந்த பேப்பர் கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு. So you should not waste paper and all. That logic, please don't apply for the examination. Now, when you're practicing, save as much paper you want to save. But not in examination all. So, if you find that in one sheet, I cannot fit in all the columns, please feel absolutely free to take the column or extend the column to the next page. Got it, not got it. It should be a horizontal presentation. Don't do it vertically. Now, tell me people, first one, 1st March. Now, to avoid writing 2018 every time, what can we do? Put 2018 common. சரியா? 2018. This is March 2018. போட்டுக்கோங்க. One shot முடிஞ்சுதா? இது கீழே என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? Just write 1. 1 means what? 1 March 2018. This is to save time in exam. Okay. On 1 March, what is the data here? Opening balance. Opening balance. Yes or no? Opening balance, how many quantities are there? Opening balance, how many quantities there? 3000 kg. What is the rate? What is the rate? 20. Amount, please. 60. Open your mouth and respond. 60,000. Okay. Closing, how much? 3000 quantity. How much is rate? 20. Amount is 60,000. Any problem? Online people, any problem? Sorry? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This will not come here. Purchase level வராது. Direct it goes to the closing stock. அதாவது 1ஆம் தேதி morning it is opening. But when I come to end of that 1st of March, it becomes closing. So directly you'll record in the closing stock. It will not come neither in purchase nor in sale or issue. Directly goes to closing stock. So closing stock means 1st March end of the day, it is closing stock. 1st March morning opening and end ku vandu closing. So I'm putting in the closing column directly. Generally என்ன தெரியுமா? Before purchase there will be one more column of opening stock. But on the opening stock column, one time only you'll record. For that, so much space is wasting. That's why I see out in the book, they don't do opening or a column. But in real life, if you see, there'll be opening stock a column, purchase a column, sale a column, then closing stock. But in exam, to save time and to save space, we avoid opening stock a column. So ICA is telling that directly you can put in the closing stock a column. Got it? Not got it? Tell now. Okay. Next. 3rd March people purchased 5,000 quantities, that is 5,000 kgs of 19 rupees each. 3rd March. In description, it is purchase. How much? 5,000 kg. Each kg, how much? 19. So what is the amount, people? What is the amount? Sorry? 95,000. Nothing is sold or issued that day. Now, how do you record the closing, people? How do you record the closing? How do you record the closing? Don't tell me, sir, 3,000 plus 5,000 will combine and write 60 plus 95. No, you cannot do it. In FIFO, you have to maintain the data lot wise. Purida. So this is lot 1. This is lot 1. And this is lot 2. Separately, you have to show it. So 3,000 into 20, 60,000 is the inventory of lot 1. Then 5,000 into 19, 95,000 is inventory of lot 2. Separately, you have to show it. Got it? Not got it? Online people, got it? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Leave one line. Next. 5th March, sold 1,000 kgs. 5th March. Sold in the sale column, 1,000 kg. Now the question is, rate, what do I take? Please understand, we're taking FIFO method. FIFO means what? First in, first out. So what goods came in first, that will go out first. So this 1,000 kgs of rice I've taken from which lot? Lot 1. But lot 1 at a rate of 20. That is what you will apply, which is how much? 20,000. Got it? Not got it? Tell now. Online people, are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, people, out of lot 1 having 3,000 kg, in that 1,000 kg is sold. Up balance of 2,000 kg in lot 1, cost is 20. Now how much is the balance? 40,000 of lot 1. Lot 2 need touch panle. So copy paste as it is. So if I ask you, what is the inventory value as on 5th of March, what will you say? These both, if you add, it is my inventory at the end of 3rd March. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. Can I continue further? Now, 7th March, sold 2,400 kg. Again, sale. 7th March, sold how many kgs, people? 2,400. Now, I will take from which lot? First in, first out. So, first in one, the lot in the L1. In L1, do I have entire 2,400 kg? No. How much is there? Only 2,000 kg. So, 2,000 kg, what is the rate? 20. So, how much it is? 40,000. But what is the balance of lot 1 now? 0. How much extra do you need? 400 kg. Where will you take it from? Lot 2. So, from 5,000 kg, if you take 4,000 kg and sold it, what is the balance? 4,600 is the balance. 19. Tell me, people, 400 multiplied by 19 is how much? 7,600. And stock is how much? 4,600 into 19. 87,400. This is the balance of lot 2. This is the balance of lot 2. Okay, not okay. This is a little bit mechanical work. Concept is very easy. Doing some is easy. And a laborious work. Nariya kasa nariya pannu. Next, 8th March, purchased 2,000 kg at 21. 8th March, purchase 2,000 kg at 21. Tell me the cost, please. 42,000. Okay. So, lot 2, copy paste same data. 87,400. This is lot 2. Lot 3 of stock evlo? 2,000 into 21, which is 42,000. This is of lot 3. This is of lot 3. ஸோ இப்போ எங்கிட்ட என்ன ஸ்டாக் இருக்கு? லாட் 2ல இருக்கு, லாட் 3ல இருக்கு. கரெக்டா? லாட் 1 இஸ் ஓவர். லாட் 1 இஸ் ஓவர். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட். 10th March sold 3000 kg. 10th March sold 3000 kg. Now the question is, this 3000 is going from which lot? This 3000 is going from which lot? L2, L3. Which came first? L2 came first. Which came first? That will go out first. Adod rate enna? 19. So tell me the cost of goods sold for that inventory. 57,000. Out of 4,600, if 3,000 is gone, what is the balance? 1,600 into 19, how much? 30,400. 30,400. This is of L2. L3, you have not even touched it. So copy paste as it is. This is L3. Any problem? Next, 15th March, purchased 1,400 at 20. 15th March, purchase 1,400 at 20. How much it is? 28,000. Nothing sold. So now 1,600 into 19, 30,400 is L2. In exam, L2, L3, L4 is not required. This for your knowledge I'm doing right now. 2,000 into 21, 42,000 is of lot 3. Now that we have purchased is 1,400 kg of 20 each, it is 28,000. It is L4. Next is what happening? 20 March sold 2,500 kg. 20 March sold 2,500 kg. So first I'll take from which lot? L2, L3, L4. L2, L3, L4, which came first? L2 came first. How much? 1,600. Out of 2,500, I took 1,600 from L2 at cost of 19 each. How much? 30,400. How much balance do I need? 900. That I'll take from L3. L3 we have sufficient kgs. How much into 21? What is the value? 18,900. So L2 over people. L2 finished. L3 led from 2,000. If I minus 900, what is the balance? 1,100 into 21. How much? 23, 100. 23,100. This is L3. L4 we haven't touched it. 1,400 into 20, which is 2,800, which is L4 intact as it is. Next, 27th March sold 1,500 kg. 27th March sold 1,500 kg. But in L3 I have only 1,100 kg. How much is the shortfall? Out of 1,500, 1,100 taken from L3. So what is the balance? 400, which I'll take from L4. 2120. Out of 1,400, if 400 is utilized, balance is 1,000 into 20, which is 20,000. Okay, tell me the value of 1,100 into 21. 23,100. Then 8,000. If I ask you what is the value of inventory as on 27th March, what will you say? Just 20,000. 20,000, which is a part of your L4. Okay, wow. Then 30th March, last transaction. Purchased 2,000 kg at 22.5. 30th March, purchased 2,000 kg at 22.5. How much it is? 45,000. Nothing is sold. What is the stock now? 1,000 into 20, which is 20,000 of L4. And 2,000 into 22.5, 45,000 of L5. Now, if I may ask you, what is the cost of the inventory at the end of 31st March? What will you say? It is 65,000. How did you get this? 20,000 plus 45,000. It is 65,000. The answer is 65,000. What are they asking? They're asking the value of the closing stock. How much kg? 3,000 kg. Irka? This is 3,000 kg. 1,000 plus 2,000, how much? 3,000 kg. So in perpetual system, you don't have to break your head. ஒவ்வொரு கேஜிக்கு என்ன வேல்யூங்கிறது பர்பச்சுவல்ல நீட்டா தானா கால்குலேட் பண்ணும். Got it, not got it? Tell no. Get right? Okay. Now, we got same 20 plus 45, 65. Okay, I asked you one more question. What is the cost of goods sold for this month? What is the cost of goods sold for this month? So, come to the sale and issue column. So, sale column la amount இருக்கு இல்லையா இந்த மொத்த amount column total பண்ணீங்கன்னா you'll get the total cost of goods sold. So, on 5th of March, I sold goods worth costing 20,000. Then I sold on 7th March goods costing 40,000. Then 7,600. Then 57,000. Then 30,400. Then 18,900. Then 23,100. Then 8,000. If you add all these people, this is called as cost of goods sold. The goods that I've sold, no, its cost is this much. How much it is? 2 lakh, 2 lakh 5,000. Okay, what? 205,000. Is it right? Yes. This is called as cost of goods sold. Last warning, Bhavishya, Swayam, Sailesh. No video, no class. Next time, no warning. I'll put you directly in the waiting room. Super. Now, next is what? Next is what? LIFO. LIFO, in general, people do not practice it. LIFO means what? Last in, first out. You tell me which person, அதாவது லாஸ்ட் இன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவுட்ல என்ன ஆகுது அப்படின்னா ஓகே ஐ டூ இட் ஐ எக்ஸ்பிளைன் இட் when I do the thing. சரி, this is over. Same format, copy paste, and now we are going to do in the form of LIFO. In form of LIFO. Let's do it. LIFO. So fast to read format, sir. Yeah, I'm lightning fast. I'm lightning fast. I do it very fast. I write it very fast. LIFO. Last in, first out. In our academy, who comes last inside the class? No, next time we should not allow them. We should send them first out. நீ என்னடா உளறிட்டு இருக்க? What happened? First in, first out. நீ தான் first வந்த. உனக்கு போனமா இல்ல? You told something about me. No, I heard. ஏய் தனியா புலம்பாதடா, மக்கள் உன்னை வேற மாதிரி நினைச்சுப்பாங்க. You not never talk separately on your own. நீ பொண்ணுகிட்ட பேசினா கூட தப்பா எடுத்துக்க மாட்டோம் நாங்க. நான் தனியா மட்டும் பேசிடாது. Now, how much time you guys are taking? You have to be fast like me, you know. हम लोग इतने जन्म लेके बना के आ रहे हैं. हम लोग भी पहली बार ही बना. My God. चलो, first March opening balance 3,000 kg at 20. Fast. We have a long way to go. March 18. So on 1st of March, opening balance directly record in the closing value. I mean closing date. 3,000, 20, 60,000. Any problem? I'll call this as L1, lot 1. Now, 3rd March, purchased 5,000 kg of 19 each. 3rd March, purchase 5,000 kg, each kg costing 19. So what is my total cost of inventory? 95,000. Sale, nothing. So 3,000 into 20, 60,000 of L1. Then 5,000 into 19, 95,000 L2. Any problem so far? No problem. Next 5th March. Sold Those who are writing slowly, neatly, can I order some makeup set? நல்ல பவுடர் போட்டு கொஸ்டினை ஃபார்மேட்டை நல்லா அழகுபடுத்திக்கோங்க. Oh my God, it's like, so we're not doing neatly, we're doing legibly. That which only you can understand. Now, sold, how many kgs? 1000 kg, 1000 kg. So 1000 kg from what will you take? Lot 1, sir. Tell no. You'll take from lot 2. Which businessman? Sorry, can I say lot 1 is old stock? Lot 2 is new stock. Which businessman says that no, customer, you are God, hence I will give you from new stock. Old stock, I will keep it. கடைசியா கொடுப்பேன், எவன் கொடுப்பேன் தெரியாது, நான் தான் கடைசியா வச்சிருப்பேன். So old stock I will not give you, I'll give from new stock. Which businessman will say? 99.99% business, what people want to do, they want to get rid of old stock. You go to bakery, best example, bakery. Yesterday 10 cake manufactured, in that 6 sold, how much is left? 4 left. Okay va, yesterday 4 cake left, today morning 10 cake newly manufactured. Okay va, first customer vanda, will you give from the old cake 4 piece or from 10 will you give? From 4, because if you want to get rid of the old stock, old stock will get spoiled or expired. Got it, not got it? So if you're giving the old stock first, means what method are people following? FIFO. Common sense says FIFO. But which entities will follow LIFO? You tell. Sir, 0.01% industries are there, no, sir. Who is that? Who will follow that? Possibly. Brewery industry. Wine. Whiskey. Rum. Gin. Got it, not got it? So, there's a norm in the brewery industry that a wine which is brewed for longest period is the most expensive wine. அதாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எக்ஸ்பென்சிவ். அதாவது இந்த ப்ரூவரி இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் இப்போ நீங்கள் வந்து அந்த வைன் இல்லை விஸ்கி ப்ரூ பண்ணுறீங்க இல்லையா, இஃப் தட் இஸ் ப்ரூட் ஃபார் அ லாங்கர் பீரியட், 100 years, 50 years, 60 years, the higher is the age of the wine. The higher is the age of the wine, the higher will be the price. Now, some wine are costing 10 lakh rupees because they have been brewed for almost about 50 years. 10 lakh rupees, one bottle 10 lakh rupees. One bottle 1 crore rupees. One bottle 50 crore rupees. So if you see the history, the age of the wine, they will say 50 years, 700 years அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. 700 too much. For our example, 50 is okay. 50 years, 100 years, அது வரைக்கும் போகலாம், அதுக்கு மேலே வேண்டாம். Got it, not got it? So those people, what they try to do, no, they want to maintain the old stock as long as possible so that they can sell it at the higher price later. So new stock, in case if demand comes, they give from the new stock. Got it, not got it? This is one example where I can convince you to apply LIFO. But that count is what? 0.01%. So broadly, people use what approach? FIFO. Either weighted average. That's when accounting standard 2 also, mainly they mention about FIFO and weighted average. There's no mention about LIFO. Got it, not got it? Purida? Okay. So now I'll take from the lot 2. So in lot 2 people, I want how many kgs? 1000 kg. I'll take from the new lot, which is this lot. Out of the 5000 kg, how much I'm taking? 1000 kg. In the lot of the cost in 19. So cost of goods sold is 19,000. So what is the inventory left? Lot 1 full as it is there. Into 20, which is 60,000. Lot 1 as it is there. Lot 2 people, out of 5,000, 1,000 is sold. So how much is unsold? 4,000. Into 19, how much? 76,000. This is lot 2. Got it, not got it? Any big difficulty? Online people, any big difficulty? Seventh March sold 2,400 kg. 2,400 kg. 7th March sold 2,400 kg. I'll take from which lot people? Lot 1 or lot 2? It's LIFO. Last in. Lot 2 came last in. 4,000 kg is there. How much I need? Just 2,400. So 2,400 is going from L4. 19 is the kg, per kg cost. How much is the total cost? 40? 45,600. Okay. Lot 1, you haven't touched it, people. So as it is, copy paste. L1 as it is, it will come. Out of 4,000 kg, if 2,400 kg is sold, what is unsold kg? 1,400. Into 19, how much? 26,600. This is L2. 1,600. Which donkey fellow said 26,600? Ilamatiya? Yema Ilamati? Quantity is 1,400, 1,600. 600. Which donkey fellow said 1,400? Sorry, 1,600 to 19, how much? Oh, value மாத்திட்டீங்களா 3,400 now. 30,400. 30,400. Okay. Now, next is 8th March, purchase 2,000 kg at 21. 8th March, purchase 2,000 kg at 21. How much? Fast, fast, fast. 42,000. So how much is stock now? First lot 3,020, 60,000. Second lot 1,600 to 19, 30,400. பத்தாவதுக்கு இன்னொரு லாட் வந்துருச்சு. Okay. 2,000 into 21, 42,000. I was just checking who is all actively listening to me. L1, L2, L3. Only few people said, sir, this will go to purchase, sir. Rest all are sleeping. Okay. Next, 10th March, sold 3,000. 3,000 kg. From which lot? L2, L3. Sorry, L1, L2, L3. Which lot? Last எதா வந்துச்சு? Last in first lot. What came last? L3 came last. I need how much? 3,000 kg. But last lot எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? Only 2,000. ஃபுல்லா வலிக்கு எடுத்துருங்க. Into 21, 42,000. Still I need how much? 1,000. I'll take from which one? From 1,600, I'll take 1,000. So what is the balance? 600 into 19. How much? 11,400. This is L2. L1 is as it is intact. 3,000 into 20, 60,000. This is L1. If I ask you at this stage, what is the cost of inventory at this stage? What will you say? 71,400. Very good. Next, 15 March, purchased 1,400. 15 March, purchased 1,400 kg. How much? Rate? 20. Cost? 28,000. So 3,000 is L1 into 20, 60,000 L1. 600 into 19, 11,400 L2. Okay, this shall I name it as L3 or L4? L4 பண்ணிடலாமா? Okay. So 1,400 into 20, which is 28,000, which is L4. L4. Lot 4. Next, can I continue? 20 March, sold 2,500 kg. 20 March, sold 2,500 kg. Which lot will I take? L1, L2, L4. Which came last? L4. So 1,400 into 20. How much? 28,000. How much do I need more? 2,500, yeah. So 1,400 taken. How much do I need more? 1,100 more venuma. Okay. About next I'll go to whom? L2. But L2 is having only 600. Full எடுத்துருங்க. How much? 19, which is 11,400. Still how much I need? 500 more. Finally, L1 oda account got opened. So out of 3,000 kg, how much sold? 500 sold. Into 20, how much? 10,000. So out of 3,000 kg, 500 sold means what is the balance? 2,500 into 20, which is 60,000. Rest all lot. Okay, sorry. Rest all lot are over. Got it, not got it. Well, this is very tough. Very easy. Oh my God. Why are people scared of this chapter? लेंथी है, फॉर दैट पीपल आर स्कैर्ड. टाइम मैनेजमेंट नहीं होता. 27th March sold 1500 kg. Oh my god, again sale. 27th March sold how many kg? 1500. I have only one lot, people. ஒரே lot தான் இருக்கு என்கிட்ட, which is lot 1. So full 1500 I'll take from that. So from 2500 kg, if I minus 1500, what is the balance? 1000. Into 20, how much? 30,000. Into 20, how much? 20,000. This is L1. Any big difficulty? Next. 30th March, purchase 2000 into 22.5. Purchase. 2000 into 22.5. You said 45,000, huh? Okay. Quantity how much? 1000 into 20, which is 20,000 of lot 1. Then 2000 into 22.5, which is 45,000 of lot 6, 5, L5. L1, L5 spending. Total quantity is how much? 3,000, which is coming because of perpetual system on real-time basis. And its corresponding cost is 40? 7,000, 45,000 plus 20,000. Oh, 65,000. This is 20,000. என்னமா வேணும் உனக்கு? 20,000 plus 45,000. Total is how much? 65,000. Now, previous question, what was the closing stock value? This also 65,000. Now, both, whether you do FIFO or LIFO, the closing stock value is coming as what? 65,000. Which means in every question it should be same, or in this question is coincidence that is same. I'm asking the question again. In FIFO method, 65,000 rupees is closing stock value. In LIFO method, 65,000 is closing stock value. Sir, whether you do FIFO, whether you do LIFO, always the value should be same only, sir. Apdi varuma, or in this question, both are same because of coincidence. Okay, those who are saying coincidence, raise your hands. I want to see those brainy people. Those who said coincidence, raise your hands properly. Let the world see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 people. Okay. Counted. 21. Others, raise your hands. Those who say no, sir, every question, P4, இருந்தாலும் சரி, LIFO இருந்தாலும் சரி, weighted average இருந்தாலும் சரி, it will be same only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all others. Those who are not raising for both. Cheater fellow. Brunetra, Rishan. Okay, right. Super. Ariv Genie, Ariv Genie. It is coincidence. It is matching. Think about it, no? Rate மாறுதுல்ல. What is the rate in case of FIFO? 20,000 and 22.5. What is the rate here? 20,000, 22. It is coincidence that in the lot 1 and lot 5 rate same இருக்கு in both the cases. Here lot 4 and lot 5 rate is same. So lot 4 and lot 1 ஓட price same இருக்கிறனால rate வந்து same வந்திருக்கு. Got it, not got it. That is value same. Otherwise, it will never be same because see, quantity will be same. Quantity will be same. And our rate is changing for every lot, no? In FIFO method, what is a lot pending in the closing stock? L4, L5. Here, what is a lot pending? L1, L5. Ab rate மாறிச்சு அப்படினா value மாறுமா மாறாதா? மாறும். So in this question is coincidence that it is matching. Got it, not got it? Okay. Please tell me, what is the cost of goods sold? What is the cost of goods sold? Add all the amount in this column. Add all this. Fast. उसको क्या हुआ है? लास्ट क्लास में ऐसे बोला, ये क्लास में ऐसे बोल रहा है. Okay. All in together. Okay, enjoy. Huh? How much value? 2 lakh? 2,05,000. Oh my God. In this question also, cost of goods sold is 2,05,000. Is it going to be same in all the question or it is coincidence? Again, coincidence that it is matching. Otherwise, it will not match because rate is different for different lot. So it cannot match. Super. Sir, now what, sir? Same question under weighted average method. Same question under weighted average method. Idha main important from examination perspective. டயர்டா? இதுக்கே எப்படின்னா எப்படி? இன்னும் நிறைய 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 இருக்கே. Yeah? Yes, yes. Yes, no doubt. I'm so sorry. I'm using technology. I'm tech savvy person. Okay, we can do one more deal. I'll do this. You observe. Just observe. Go home and do homework. Okay, va? No? Okay. Those who want to relax, sit back and relax. Those who want to do it along with me, do it. Those who will do with me, they will pass. I gave choice, pa. Weighted average method. Under perpetual. And I'm doing only perpetual as of now. ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? Wait, okay. I'm so sorry. Okay, I have a question to all of you. The question says that the closing stock is 3000 kg. This 3000 kg came because of this is book inventory or this is physical counting inventory. Under perpetual I'm asking. Perpetual என்ன சொல்றான்? 3000 kg இருக்குன்றா இல்லையா? இது புக்கை பார்த்து சொல்றானா இல்ல பிசிக்கலி கவுண்ட் பண்ணி சொல்றானா? புக்கை பார்த்து சொல்றான். Because this is book inventory. Got it, not got it. Had this been periodic, then how this 3000 kg is coming? By physical counting of the inventory. Got it, not got it. Okay. எழுத்து ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருக்கா இல்ல கரெக்டா தெரியுதா? Visible, no? Okay. 1st March. Opening balance. Purchase, leave it. Sale, leave it. Closing directly. 3000 into 20, 60,000. In this, there is no game of lot 1, lot 2. You are saved. Because everything we're going to mix. Mixing, we'll do. Mixing. Now, 3rd March, purchased 5000 kg of 19. Purchase 5000 kg, 19 per kg, total is 95,000. Now listen to very carefully, don't do anything. Observe, observe, observe. I want full attention. Keep your pens down, full attention, full concentration. Full attention, full concentration. Girindra, video. Now, I'm running a departmental store. In my departmental store, there is one particular section where I have kept all the provision items. So I have multiple barrel. In one, we have rice. In one, we have wheat. In one, I have, let's say, tea powder. Tea powder generally they give in packet. But I'm telling, I put in milk. Okay. Loose lenna irukum. Loose na not that loose. I'm telling, barrel lenna irukum vera. Dal, very good. Very good. Then, sugar, okay. Salt எல்லாம் வெளில பார்த்தது இல்லம்மா நானு. நீ எல்லாம் இப்பெல்லாம் பேசக்கூடாது. எவன் சால்ட் ஓப்பன்ல வச்சிருப்பா? Now, okay. Let's talk about basmati rice. Okay, wow. Now, basmati rice you take or you take oil, whatever you say. What happens in that barrel? They'll keep on pouring the stock on daily basis. Red is the stock that came 1 month ago. Purple is the stock that came 15 days ago. Black is the lot that came 2 days ago. In the மூணுத்தோட விலை வேற. This cost is 19 rupees. Its cost is 20 rupees. This cost is 21 rupees. Everything is mixed. When I take and give it to my customer, கஸ்டமர் கேட்கறான் இல்லையா, சார் ஒரு படி கொடுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு உள்ள நீங்க மூங்கி எடுத்து கொடுக்குறீங்க இல்லையா. டெல் மீ பீப்பிள், 1 cup I'm giving to one customer full of rice or oil, whatever you say. In this, which part belongs to 21, which part belongs to 20, which part belongs to 19? Tell me. भगवान को भी नहीं मालूम भाई. Tell no. In such case, can I apply FIFO method? Can I apply LIFO method? No. Though we say these items are interchangeable, but still biscuits interchange ஆனா கூட வந்து we can still tell, okay, biscuit ஓட இந்த காஸ்ட் இருக்கு அப்படி segregate பண்ணலாம். But for these items, can you segregate? Not possible. So those items which gets mixed, which is not segregatable lot wise, which I cannot sell lot wise, in that case, I have only one choice to follow weighted average method. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. So here, how do we do it? 3000 kg இருக்கு இல்லையா, this is the opening stock in that barrel. அதில் என்ன ஊத்திட்டேன் நான், 5000 kg of oil I've poured further. So total quantity how much? 8000. Got it? Not got it? Value opening வந்து 60, closing how much? 95. Sorry, that is purchase is 95. ரெண்டுமே சேர்த்து என்ன closing வரும்? 6 lakh plus 95. Sorry, 60,000 plus 95,000. 1 lakh 55,000. Got it? Not got it? So 8,000. So this is total quantity. Opening plus purchase is 8,000 quantity. Its total cost is 1,55,000. I want to know what is cost per kg. I want to know what is cost per kg. But this is balancing figure. How do I get it? 1,55,000 divided by 8,000. So what is cost per kg? Weighted average cost per kg. 19.375. Okay. So I'm getting 19.375. We'll take 3 decimal. Okay, va. இதோட காஸ்ட் இதுதான். Which average it is? Weighted average. It is called as weighted average. There is one more method. Simple average. அப்ப அந்த கேஸ்ல how do I get this value? Simple averageல. This is weighted average. Correcta? Weighted average method. Simple average, how do I calculate? 2 rate are there, no? 2 rate are there. 20, 19. So 20 plus 19 by 2. Numerator I have taken 2 value. Divide by 2. So 20 plus 19 is how much? 39 by 2. How much it is? 19.5. If I go with simple average method, what is the answer I'm getting? 19.5 is the cost per kg. My question to all of you, out of these two methods, which is the most appropriate method which will reflect the fair value? Weighted is more better or simple is more better? Weighted is more better. Why? Quantity is taken into consideration. Okay, very good. Correctly said. I'll give an example. I'm purchasing one shoe for 2,000. I purchased 2 shoes for 3,000. Yes or no? Now, what is the total cost? 2,000 and 6,000. Yes or no? Okay. இப்போ ரெண்டுமே மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். I'm not able to segregate. ரெண்டுமே 3 shoe ஒரே மாதிரி. 3 shoes of one type. I purchased one shoe. Same color I purchased 2 more shoes. Same color, same size. நீங்க மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா 3 shoe, you will not know which shoes belong into which lot. Got it? Not got it? But lot 1 I got of 2,000 rupees ஒரு pair. In lot 2 I got 2 shoes. 3,000 rupees each. 3,000 rupees each. Got it? Not got it? மூணுமே மிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன். Now tell me, one I'm going to sell. What is its cost? What is the average cost of the shoes? What is the average cost of the shoes? இப்போ நீங்க சிம்பிள் ஆவரேஜ் போட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா சிம்பிள் ஆவரேஜ் மீன்ஸ் வாட் will happen? 2,000 plus 3,000 ரெண்டு வேல்யூ இருக்கா, ரெண்டுமே ஆட் பண்ணி டிவைட் பை 2. 5,000 divide by 2, which is 2,500. Got it? Not got it? Is this correct? Is this correct? No. Why it is not correct? You'll understand now. This answer is given by one expert. Another expert said that I don't agree with this value. How can you take this value? அவன் என்ன சொல்றா அப்படின்னா, இந்த 2,000 rupees amount இருக்கு இல்லையா, this is been contributed. This is cost of one inventory. மொத்தம் 3 inventory இருக்கு என்கிட்ட. இதுல ஒன்னோட காஸ்ட் 2,000 ரூபாய், which is less, which is low value. This is low value. This is high value. Whereas I have 2 more shoes of 3,000 each, which is high value. இப்போ என்ன ஆச்சுன்னா, This is 2000. This is 3000. Okay, wow. What is the simple average rate? 2500. It is coming in center point. Center point means what? It is equal value. They're telling all the three value of the inventory is equal. Is it correct? No, listen to me. Another expert is saying that no, this is not the right way of calculating. 2000 rupees is the cost of one shoe, which is low value item. Whereas high value item oda evlo cost irukku? How many items are there? 2 items are there. In total, how much? 2000 and 6000. What is the total cost that you've spent? 8000 rupees money you have spent. Now divide by what? Divide by 3. Divide by 3. This 1 and 2 is called as weight. This is called as cost. This is called as weighted cost. This tabular column, can you recollect somewhere? Goodwill. Goodwill also we had simple average profit method. Then we had weighted average profit method. Their profit, here cost. Their weightage was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Here the weightage is the quantity of the inventory. Cost into weight is nothing but weighted cost. So take the weighted cost. What is meant by weighted cost? எந்த காஸ்ட்டுக்கு வந்து கம்மியா கூட்ஸ் இருக்கோ, கம்மி குவாண்டிட்டி இருக்கோ, அதோட வேல்யூ கம்மியா வரும். Which inventory ka cost price is more, its quantity is more, its value also will be more. So basically, based on the quantity, volume of the inventory, the price is getting derived. Got it? Not got it? So in a high price inventory is how much? 2. High price inventory is how much? 2. Low price inventory is how much? 1. இது ரெண்டுமே கம்பைன் பண்ணா 3 inventory இருக்கு. So now this is my weighted cost. This divide by weight. So I want to know weighted average cost. I want weighted average cost. So what will I do? Weighted cost divided by weight. How much it is? 2667. 2667. 2667 in this range. This range done. 2000 is the low price of the cost. 3000 is high price of the cost. 25 is the center point. 25 center of 2. Idhil in the center same value. This to this same range. Okay, wow. Now the value that is come under weighted average, how much it is? 2667 vandriga, which is somewhere here. So here the weighted average price is more tilted towards high value price. Why? Because high value price or quantity is higher. If quantity higher apnina, weightage higher apnina, average price also should be higher. Yes or no? Correct or not correct? Tell no. On the other hand, imagine this is not 1, this is 2. Low price value is 2. High price value is only 1. Now what is the weighted average cost? 2 into 2000, which is 4000. 1 into 3000, which is 3000. So what is the total now? 7000. About 7000 divided by 3, how much it is? 2000? 333. 2333. So if you see the weighted average price, it is coming here. So this is tilted towards the low value because low value oda quantity வந்து அதிகமா இருக்கு. So when the low value oda quantity அதிகமா இருக்கும்போது its price will naturally come down. Got it? Not got it? In the previous example where I said 1 is the inventory for the low value, 2 is the inventory for high value. So எந்த inventory oda price அதிகமா இருக்கு? அதாவது which lot has got more price? The one which has got 2 inventory has got high price. So low price has got 1 weightage, high price has got 2 weightage. So naturally the average price will be tilted towards that side where the volume is more. Where the volume is more, its rate will accordingly get reflected. Got it? Not got it? So which is the right method? Average illa simple better illa vandu weighted better? Weighted is always, people, whenever you talk about average, simple oda 100 times weighted average profit is more true and more fair. Got it? Not got it? Tell no. All people, got it? Not got it? Here also we calculated this weighted average in the same way. How? 3000 is the quantity. Quantity apnina weight. What is the cost? 20 is the cost. So 20 kg is the cost per kg. 20 is the cost per kg. Adoda quantum is how much? 3000. Whereas 19 is the cost. Adoda quantity evlo? 5000. Tell me, this 20 is high cost, 19 is low cost. Yes or no? 20 is high cost, 19 is low cost. So when I do weighted average, will the weighted average more be towards high or low? It will be more towards low. Got it, not got it. Low oda weight அதிகமா இருக்கு. So நீ weighted average பண்ணும்போது அதிகமா it will come towards the low value. It will not go towards the high value. Got it, not got it. So how did we calculate? 20,000 to 3,000. How much it is? 60,000 is the weighted cost. 19 to 5,000 is how much? 95,000. What is the total cost? 1,55,000. Yes or no? 1,55,000 divided by total of the weight. How much total of the weight? 8,000. So 1,55,000 divided by 8,000 if you do, I'm getting 19.375. Apana, starting is 19. High, low value 19. High value 20. Center point is what? 19.5. This is simple average. This simple average. Eppadi 19 plus 20 by 2. You will get 19.5. This simple average. Simple average will always get the value at the center. ரெண்டு வேல்யூக்கு சென்டர் தான் சிம்பிள் ஆவரேஜ். டூ எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் வேல்யூ இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதோட சென்டர் பாயிண்ட் தான் சிம்பிள் ஆவரேஜ், which is not fair. Now here for low value we have 5,000 kg. For high value we have 3,000 kg. So எதோட weight அதிகமா இருக்கு? Which side weight is highest? 5,000 kg, which is 19 ka cost is high weightage. So it will tilt here. So rate will come somewhere here. It came. How much it is? 19.33. இங்க வந்திருக்கா? 19.375. 375. Which is more towards low value. Got it, not got it. Because the low value product has got the highest quantity. So weighted average will be more tilted towards the lowest quantity. That is highest quantity. Got it, not got it. Either exam not required. This I told you for your conceptual clarity. In exam, nothing doing. நீங்க என்ன பண்றீங்க தெரியுமா? Quantity, previous quantity and the new quantity add பண்ணுங்க. I'll get the total quantity. Then previous cost and the current cost added. I'll get the total cost. இது ரெண்டுமே டிவைட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா you'll get the answer. That's all for your exam. Nothing doing. So whatever masala I discussed is only for your understanding. So tomorrow if somebody asks you conceptually why are we doing weighted average, which is better, you should be in position to explain. அதுக்காக இவ்வளவு எஃபர்ட் போட்டேனா. Now, if this is clear, can I continue? Next people, tell me. 5th March sold 1,000 kg. 5th March sold 1,000 kg. In this there is no drama, lot 1, lot 2, because everything is mixed. ஒரே rate தான், which is 19.375. In exam you can take 2 decimal, 3 decimal, 4 decimal at your comfortability. Okay va? Whatever you're taking, put a note. We are taking 4 decimal. We are taking assuming 3 decimal. அப்படி note போட்டுருங்க. Now tell me the cost of goods sold. 19,375. So out of 8,000 kg, 1,000 is sold. Balance is how much? 7,000 kg. Each rate is 19.375. How much is the total? Total cost of inventory. $1,35,000? 625 is it? 625. Comfortable? Okay, next. What is happening next? 7th March sold 2,400. 7th March sold 2,400. Nothing to worry. We have only one lot, one rate. So take from that. So 2,400 into 19.375. What is the value? 46,500. Then from 7,000, if 2,400 is gone, sold, what is the balance? 4,600 into 19.375, which is how much? 89,125. Next. 8th March purchased 2,000 kg at 21 each. 8th March purchase. How much? 2,000 kg at 21. How much is the total? Sorry? 42,000. Now how do you do it? Quantity, previous quantity, that is opening stock plus purchase. How much? Closing stock of previous day becomes today's opening stock. Opening stock of today is how much? 4,600. Plus today's purchase is how much? 2,000. So how much is the total closing stock? You have sold nothing. ஒண்ணுமே விக்கல. அப்ப closing எவ்வளோ? 6,600. Opening cost of inventory is how much? 89,125. What is purchase ka cost? 42,000. Total how much? 131,125. Now weighted average, divide both. Tell me the weighted average. Sorry? 19.867. Any difficulty? From here, can you manage? Or should I do fully now? Same thing continue. Same thing will continue. This is called as weighted average method. Do you want me to complete now? Or can I go to the next part? You can take this as homework. This continue. This will keep on continuing like this. Weighted average method. What did we get? 19.867 we got. Out of that, 3000 kg sold. So out of 6600, 3000 kg sold means balance is 3600. 19.867, this is the rate. Then 15th, value is not matching. Round of difference will come. 131125 is coming, no? 131125. See, round of difference will be there, Kanna. Ignore that. So 15th of March, 1400 kg purchased. Shariya, at 20 each, 28,000. Now, 3600 plus 1400 is how much? 5,000. 71, 521 plus 28,000 is how much? 99, 521. If I divide, I'll get 19.904. Got it, not got it. This will keep on continuing. This will keep on continuing. Got it, not got it. This is weighted average method. Simple average, what will happen? In simple average, what will happen? In simple average, what will happen? 19.375 is there, no? 19.375 plus 21. Rend value add pannunga. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. That is the amount. What is that amount? Where? 19.375 plus 21 by 2. How much are you getting? Simple average solunga. Weighted over. Now simple. Starting. Okay, sorry. We'll come from beginning. Okay, no problem. Now, we'll come from beginning. Same thing. Simple la panna appadina. Eppadi varum? 20 plus 19 by 2 how much? 19.50. Okay, va. 19.5 la sale pantinga. Ida balance. 19.50 you sold it. This is the balance. Then what happens? 19.50 is there. Next level purchase pandringa for 21 rupees. So now rate is changing. Always rate will change upon every single purchase. So previous value is 19.5. New purchase value 21. Rendu add panni divide by 2. Sir, in numerator always 2 value will come. Always 2 only. One is the opening rate. Second is the purchase rate. Rendu add panna always divide by 2 only. Got it, not got it. How much is the rate? 20.25. Got it, not got it. Like this, simple average will keep on continuing. This is for you, simple average profit method. Sorry, simple average method. Same tabular column. Please repeat it for simple average method as homework. Got it, not got it. So what we have done so far is the case where inventories are ordinarily interchangeable. Got it? In that case, did we follow perpetual or periodic? Perpetual. Under perpetual, we did FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SAM. Got it, not got it. Now, same thing under periodic, under periodic, under periodic. Now, in periodic method, the question will never give you the data of sale. In periodic, the question will never give you data of sale. Ask why. ஒரு பிசினஸ்ல பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ற குவான்டிட்டி லிமிட்டடா இருக்கும். இப்போ டிமார்ட் அப்படின்னா they'll buy 3000 kgs of rice one shot. But when they sell, they will not sell 3000 kgs one shot. They'll sell 100 kg, 50 kg, 20 kg, 10 kg, which means the number of purchases what we do is limited. But the number of sale what we do is unlimited. So much can I capture? Who am I? I'm not DMart. I am a normal provision, what you call normal person who's having a provision store. நிறைய road side பார்த்தீங்கன்னா there'll be a lot of provision store. Small shops. Yes or no? அண்ணாச்சி கடைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். Small provision store are there doing wholesale and retail business. DMart has got huge money, boss. அவங்க SAP software install பண்ணி எல்லாத்தையும் perpetual பண்ணலாம். They can do very comfortably FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SAM in the system itself. But small people like us, can we invest 50 lakh in SAP software? Can we do perpetual inventory? Not possible. We cannot maintain the inventory properly. If I go and invest money in maintaining inventory, my business cost will shoot up. So all my profit will be eaten away by inventory management. Now, சம்பாரிச்சு பண்ண எல்லாமே inventory management போயிடும். It is not viable. Hence, I will not go for perpetual inventory system. I'll go for periodic inventory system. In periodic inventory system, I do not have any data of what quantity I sold on daily basis. Purchases I'll have because the number of purchases are limited in general, but number of sales are more. Got it, not got it. So question will give you data of opening balance, purchase, அவ்வளவுதான். Sale கொடுக்க மாட்டான். All the three they give, opening balance, purchase and sale. If all the three given means the question wants you to do perpetual. Sale கொடுக்கல அப்படின்னா, issue கொடுக்கல அப்படின்னா, the question is given only opening balance and purchases. So they want to calculate the inventory under periodic. Got it, not got it. Okay. Now we're telling that this shopkeeper is maintaining inventory under periodic inventory system. Under periodic inventory system. Okay, wow. Which means what? This closing stock or quantity is not coming from the book. It is coming after physical verification. Physical counting. We say PC, physical counting. PV means physical verification or physical counting. Now, I am a small shopkeeper. To derive the quantity, I am doing physical counting. Means my inventory is maintained under periodic inventory system. Now the question is, how do I get the value? அப்போ அதுக்கு நீ என்ன கொஸ்டின் கேட்கணும்? உன் பிசினஸ்ல நீ FIFO ஃபாலோ பண்றியா ஆர் LIFO ஆர் வெயிட்டட் ஆர் simple average? FIFO means what? We will ask, whenever customer comes, will you give the stock from the old stock or new stock? If he says old stock, apnina is following FIFO. Old stock means what? FIFO. First in, first out. Old is first in, first out. Got it, not got it? Okay. If he says no, sir, whatever the latest goods are coming, no, that I am selling. உன்னால தனியாக ட்ராக் பண்ண முடியுமா? ஆமா சார். அப்போ that is LIFO. If you ask the question, விற்கிற பொருள் கஸ்டமருக்கு வந்து which lot it belongs, can you segregate lot wise? Old lot, new lot, lot 1, lot 2, lot 3, can you segregate? Not possible, sir. We put everything in one barrel. I'm not able to find out. Apna weighted average or simple average? Got it, not got it? Okay. Now this entity says that I'm following FIFO. Periodic plus FIFO. Periodic plus FIFO. Periodic for quantity of stocks. FIFO for value. FIFO means what? First in, first out. இப்போ அந்த ஷாப்கீப்பர் கிட்ட ஓப்பனிங் 3000 இருக்கு, பிளஸ் 5000 பர்ச்சேஸ், பிளஸ் 2000 பர்ச்சேஸ், பிளஸ் 1400 பர்ச்சேஸ், பிளஸ் 2000 பர்ச்சேஸ். At the end, how much stock is there? 3000 kg இருக்கு. 3000 kg is belonging to which lot? Which lot? Set is all? Mixed set is what? Migdad is saying. No. FIFO, what do we assume? FIFO means whatever I've sold from the opening balance and initial purchases. அப்போ மிச்சம் மீதி இருக்கிறது எந்த லாட்டா இருக்கும்? கடைசி லாட், லாஸ்ட் லாட் or லாஸ்ட் பிஃபோர் லாட்? Got it, not got it? Tell no. ஒன்னும் இல்லைங்க, நான் கேட்குற ஒரே கேள்விதான். This shopkeeper has got opening 3000 kg, purchased 5000, 2000, 1400, 2000. Okay, wow. It's all mixed. It's all mixed. Actually, he could have sold from this lot also. But we don't know because there is nothing to keep a track of. Perpetually, we can keep a track of. In periodic, can we keep a track? No. But still have to calculate value, no? How do you calculate the value? So FIFO apply பண்ணும்போது எப்படி apply பண்ணுவீங்க? First in, first out. So what do we assume? On paper, what do we assume? Sir, இந்த customer 1000 kg வாங்கியிருக்கா இல்லையா? எதுல போயிருக்கும்? இதுல போயிருக்கும் நம்புறீங்க. The next customer asked for 2100. It's gone from which lot? From these two lots, we believe. But in reality, it would have got from this lot also. We don't know. Because everything is stacked together. Periodically, control liye. In periodic system, does the shopkeeper have the control? Which goods is coming from which batch? Coming from which lot? Does he have the control? No. There's no control. But some way as auditor, I have to finalize the value for the closing stock. No. So how do I do it? How do I do it? So FIFO method means what? First in, first out. அப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்டா வந்தது எல்லாமே போயிடுச்சு. அப்போ மிச்சம் மீதி இருக்கிறது எந்த லாட்? கடைசி லாட். Got it, not got it? So how do I take the value? No. Okay, மொத்தமா 3000 இருக்கா? Which was the last purchase bill? 2000. Okay. இதோட ரேட் என்ன? 22.5. How much it is? 45,000. இன்னும் goods இருக்கு. How much is there? 1000 is still there. இதோட purchase எப்ப நடந்திருக்கு? Previous to previous purchase is 1400. இந்த லாட்ல 400 வித்துருச்சு நம்புறோம். How much is balance? How much is balance? 1000. இதோட ரேட் என்ன? Into 20. How much it is? 20,000. So this way, 65,000 is called as total cost of inventory. Got it, not got it? Tell no. Is this inventory an exact calculation? No. This is approximate calculation. Because under periodic inventory system, you cannot determine the value of the inventory precisely. If you want the precise calculation of the inventory, you should follow perpetual inventory system. Just because the entity is not following perpetual, just because he's following periodic, can you go and tell your business is wrong? So shut down the business. ஏப்பா இன்வென்ட்ரி வேல்யூஷனுக்கு வந்து அவனை தப்பா சொல்லி பிசினஸ் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடுவியா? No, people will still run the business like this. As an auditor, I have to certify the values. I have to tell the financial statement what is presented is true or fair. So how do I present it fairly? This is the best thing that I can do. கொடுக்குற இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வச்சு இதான் பெஸ்ட் என்னால் பண்ண முடியும். உங்ககிட்ட வேற இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் தான் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. I'll recommend to ICI. No, my student has got a better method to value under periodic method. I will recommend that also. No problem. Any other better method? Tell no. No choice. So, if you get a question in the exam where they say that the entity is following periodic inventory system, under that FIFO la cost calculate பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னா this is how you will calculate. Got it, not got it. So under FIFO method, what is the cost of inventory? What purchase was made at the last? Take that kg, multiply its rate. Then if that is not sufficient, still stock is left over, go to the previous purchase, which is 1000 kg into 20. So 65,000 is the cost of inventory under FIFO. Got it, not got it. One more disclaimer I'll give you. In question, the question will never tell whether this is periodic or perpetual. You have to identify. So how will you identify? If they give you details of opening balance, purchase and sale, apana perpetual. If sale information not given, periodic. So you have to assume whether periodic or perpetual. First point. Second point, in the FIFO, LIFO, WAM sum, they will mention always. Because if they don't tell that also, how will we do it? So FIFO, LIFO, WAM sum, you cannot assume that the question has to instruct. புரியுதா? But periodic perpetual information கொடுக்காம இருக்கலாம். அது நீ தான் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணும். கொடுத்தா ஓகே தான். கொடுக்கல அப்படின்னா you have to only identify. Got it, not got it. Tell no. Okay. Okay, the entity says, no sir, I follow LIFO. புதுசா வர ஸ்டாக் இருக்கு இல்லையா? From there I will sell the product. Oldest stock I'll keep with me itself. Like that entity is telling. Now tell me people. How will you calculate the inventory? Last in, first out. Last in, first out. Actually, LIFO under perpetual is best. இதுல what answer we'll get? No, it is nonsense. But we have no other choice. இதுல என்ன assume பண்றோம்? Last in, first out. What came in last? Went out first. How it is possible? Because 5th March நீங்க சேல் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க 1000 kg. 1000 kg சேல் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. அப்போ have you sold it from this 2000 kg? No. But this method assumes that way only. In periodic LIFO ல என்ன assume பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா this 1000 kg what you have sold, no, it is gone from this 2000. Got it, not got it. அப்போ இது வாங்கி வித்தாச்சு, இது வாங்கி வித்தாச்சு, இது வாங்கி வித்தாச்சு, இது வாங்கி வித்தாச்சு. இப்போ 3000 ஸ்டாக் இருக்குல்ல, இது பேலன்ஸ், இதுதான் பேலன்ஸ். ஏன்னா லாஸ்ட் அண்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவுட். So whatever came in last went out first. அப்போ what is spending? 3000 kg spending. Got it, not got it. அப்பனா lot 1 ல வந்த பொருள் 3000 kg விற்கவே இல்லை அப்படின்னு முடிவு பண்ணிட்டோம். ஸோ அதோட காஸ்ட் எவ்வளோ? 30,000 into 20, how much? 60,000. But you take LIFO, no? LIFO method போயிடுங்களேன். This is LIFO, am I right? In LIFO, look at the data. From lot 1, how many kgs are there? Lot 1, how many kgs are there? Only 1000 kg. Up extra 2000 kgs come from which lot? Lot 5. This method on what basis have we done? LIFO only, no? Appo LIFO actually is useless only because that nobody follows. Which businessman will say, first new stock I'll give first, old stock I'll keep with me itself? Will anybody say? No. So அந்த லாஜிக்கே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தப்பு. அதுக்கே சப்போர்ட் பண்றதுக்கு நான் இன்னொரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன கொடுத்தேன்? Wine industry will do like this. I convinced you. அதுலயும் if you follow periodic means there's no point only. Inventory values not making any sense. So if you're going with LIFO, at least follow perpetual so that the value can be realistic. புரியுதா? Difference புரியுதா? Tell no. So here what is the cost of inventory under LIFO? 3000 kg into 20. This 3000 kg is which lot? Lot 1. Opening balance. அப்ப நம்ம என்ன assume பண்றோம்? Opening balanceல விற்கவே இல்லைன்ட்டு. And உண்மையில வித்திருக்கோம். Because as per perpetual, how much should be there? Only 1000 kg should be there from lot 1. How much is sold from lot 1? 2000 is sold from lot 1. But what are we assuming? No. Full 3000 is there. Up assume பண்றோம். Does it make sense? No. But still we have to go with this. Got it, not got it. When the information is not given, sale information நீ கொடுக்கல அப்படின்னா நான் என்னால எப்படி calculate பண்ண முடியும்? LIFO you did because under perpetual, precisely correctly, because sale information was provided to you. But here in periodic method, sale information client provide பண்ணல. As auditor, how will you calculate? This is the best option. No other choice. Got it, not got it. Tell no. Yes. Come again. FIFO method. ஆமா. Correct. You're right. You're right. Right. And இதெல்லாம் இப்ப சொல்ல போனா எல்லாம் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிடும். So you will, it is between us only. Those who've got it, okay. Otherwise, leave it. He's telling that வேண்டாம் விட்டுருங்க. ஐயோ வேண்டாம். I have to do a lot of questions. No more explanations and all. Too much of explanation already I'm giving. Not required. Okay, now weighted average, boss. Weighted average. Under weighted average method, how do we do it? Under weighted average, how do we do it? Quantity I'm கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. He has told quantity how much it is, 3000 kg. Now multiply the rate, I'll get the amount. How do I get the rate now? Weighted average, how will you get the rate? What is your common sense says? All quantity. Oh, only purchase. Opening balance, who will take? My tata. Who will take? Opening balance also some years purchase, no, some months purchase, no. So opening balance also is purchase only, no, boss. How can you ignore it? Apna 3000 into 20 m plus 5000 into 19 m plus 2000 into 21 m plus 1400 into 20 m plus 2000 into 22.5 m plus then MRC. You will get total purchase cost. Opening balance purchase செய்து மொத்தமா எவ்வளவு வாங்கிருக்கீங்க அதோட வேல்யூ கிடைக்கும். How much it is? 2,70,000 is the total cost of purchase. அதாவது இந்த வருஷம் பிசினஸ் பண்ணும்போது ஓப்பனிங்ல வாங்கின பொருளோட மதிப்பு, கரண்ட் இயர் நீங்க பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ண பொருளோட மதிப்பு எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து டோட்டல் காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் பர்ச்சேஸ் how much? 2,70,000. Total cost of purchase is 2,70,000. Got it? Not got it? Opening item order cost, opening items cost and purchases cost put together, the total cost of the goods is 2,70,000. How many quantity do you have? What is the quantity? 3,000 plus 5,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,400 plus 2,000. How much? Sorry? 13,400. Got it? Not got it? So 13,400 are the total kgs in the business throughout the year. Means for the entire year, add how many kgs of rice? 13,400 kgs of rice to do business. Business பண்றது எங்கிட்ட எவ்வளவு மொத்தம் kg இருக்கு? 13,400 kgs of rice is there. What is its total cost? 2,70,000. Then what is the cost for 1 kg? Cross multiply. So 2,70,000 divided by 13,400. So total weighted cost of purchase divided by total of the weight. That is total purchased. How much it is? 20.149. So this is your weighted average cost. Weighted average cost. Got it? Not got it? So total amount of purchases including opening stock. Total amount of purchases. Amount, how do we get amount? Quantity into the respective rate, I'll get amount. Total divided by total quantity. What will I get? Weighted average price. So quantity into rate plus quantity into rate plus quantity into rate. Like that, keep on going for n number of items. Divide by total of quantity. N means what? Multiple. Multiple in numbers. Got it? Not got it? That way, total is 270 divided by 13,400 kg. 20.15. 20.15. So in closing stock, what is the quantity? 3,000 kg into 20.15. So what is the cost of inventory? 60,450. This is for you weighted average method. Okay, not okay? Okay. Now simple method, how will you do it? Simple method, how will you do it? Simple method, how will you do it? All the rate, opening order rate, purchase order rate, மொத்தமா எடுத்துக்கோங்க. How many values in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You taken 5 rates, no? Add all the 5 rate. How much it is? 20 plus 19 plus 21 plus 20 plus 22.5. Total. 102.50. 102.50. In numerator, how many items did you add? 5 items. Divide by 5. Simple average. In numerator, how many items you've added? How many rates you've added? That much number of division. 20.50. So this is your simple average. No complication. Simple தானே. எல்லா rate add பண்ணி divide பண்ணிட்டீங்க. Weighted தான் what you called confusion is there. This into that, then divide by this. Here nothing is there. All the rate you add. How many rate you added? 5 rates. Divide by 5. Sir, if 4 rates are added, divide by 4. If 3 rates are added, divide by 3. Sir, in exam, if you give 10 rates, add all the 10 rates, divide by 10. This is for you. Simple average method. Got it, not got it? Tell no. So 3000 kg into 20.5, which is 61,500. Okay, not okay? Super. Now, example 3, take it as homework. Example 4 will do. Example 4 we will do right now. Sir, what sir? All example only you're doing. Who will do ICA material sum, sir? We will do next class. The fair deal store. Oh my God. The store which deals fairly is called as fair deal store. Was not maintaining a perpetual inventory system. But what were they maintaining? Periodic inventory system. Pachya soltam. The fair deal store was not maintaining perpetual inventory. If perpetual inventory is not maintained, how the hell will I get the closing quantity? By physical counting. The fair deal store was not maintaining a perpetual inventory system for its stock units recently. Okay. Only physical inventory was taken at the end of each month. The physical inventory at the end of December 2017 showed 200 bags of rice at 212.25 per bag. At 2125 per bag. Okay, va? Okay. The following purchases are made in Jan 2018. 3rd Jan, you purchased 400 bags of 218 per bag. 10th Jan, you purchased 900 bags at 223.50 per bag. 15th Jan, you purchased 400 bags at 220 per bag. 28th January, you purchased 700 bags at 213 per bag. 30th Jan, you purchased 300 bags at 224.00 per bag. What is required? On 31st Jan 2018, the physical stock was 1200 bags. You, not a teacher, you are required to calculate the value of the stock as on 31st March 18. Value here means what? Stock. I'm assuming NRV is 0. Not there. Apana, cost becomes value. According to FIFO, LIFO, WAM. I'll put SAM also. Okay. As per FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SAM, under periodic inventory system, calculate the value of the inventory. I'll give you 4 minutes. 1 minute for FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SAM. Do it fast. Do it. Entire question is visible? Okay. First, as per FIFO. FIFO. First in, first out. So water came in first, went out. Appa, what is Michemidi? Which came later, last. Take its rate. 2,60,000. I got one answer for FIFO. Wait. FIFO. Answer is 60,300. Okay, I got one answer, people. Give me 3 more options. Let's play Kaun Banega Crorepati. Come on. All of you getting same answer? Same answer. Oh my God. People are genius. Online people, no answer. What is your answer? Ishan, Gokul, Chiranjeevi, Amresh, Runetra, Shweta, Girindra, Moilan. What is your answer? Same answer or different answer? Same answer. Oh my God. Okay. LIFO 2 lakh 88 350. Okay. Others do LIFO and tell me. FIFO, all of you got same answer? Fantastic. Gokul, why are you dancing? Ding, 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 like this. LIFO answer. Online people open your mouth and respond. How much you're getting, you tell me. Don't tell to your friends. Kannu patrom. For which one? LIFO. Very good. For LIFO, I got one more answer. Yay! 2 lakh 63 750. Very good. Come on, come on. 2 more answers, huh? 60 2 lakh 66,000. Hey, see, also I got it. Come on, come on. One more wrong answer. In calculator also people make mistake. Then they say, should you mistake, sure. Palli fellow. Can I do it? It's very boring for me. These two are like this only. Don't mind. I'm seeing them from 12th. No, I know what they are. Now you're seeing from 9th standard. Okay, chalo. I'll do it for you. Guys, we are supposed to calculate the inventory value as on which date? 31st Jan 2018. 31st Jan 2018. Or the quantity is how much? 1,200. Yes or no? Tell no. 31st Jan, not March, Jan. Okay. This quantity. I have to multiply its rate in such a way that I get the value. Got it, not got it. So periodic inventory system has given the quantity to you. Now, FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SAM will help you to decide the rate and the cost. Got it, not got it. Okay. They've given one more stock. The physical inventory at the end of December 17. It shows 200 bags. What is this? Closing inventory of the previous month, which is opening inventory of current month. Apana 31st December 17 equal to 1118. This is closing stock. This is opening stock. Apana opening stock quantity is how much? 200. Yes or no? Tell no. Opening is 200. Idu poga, during the year, how much did you purchase? During the year, how much did you purchase? Some quantity will be there. I'm not bothered. Got it, not got it. 2,900. I'm not bothered. I'm just telling you. So here, I have opening data. I have purchase data. Okay, not okay. In previous question, very clearly they said, this is opening stock. Oh, mind opening stock, teliva vandu register adichu. Here, they've given the same opening data in form of one statement whose focus will never go on that. So how many of you honestly tell me did not consider opening inventory while calculating the inventory value? How many of you have not considered? Very good. 1, 2. Dekha nahi. Very good. This is what is going to happen in exam. This kind of questions is going to come to you where they will create some question which will deceive your mind, which will not attract your attention. And that is the entire game. Anga the entire masala is there. So if you do not read the question thoroughly, each and every line, if you do not introspect properly, high chances you'll make mistake and come. And after coming from the examination hall, what will you say? Oh shit, this line I didn't see. I did silly mistake. Impossible ena prayojanam. Khatam. Over. Now, so what I do is when such question comes, record here. 1st Jan. How much bags? 200 bags at 212.25 per bag. This is called as opening stock. ஓகேவா? இந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின் வந்தா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்க பென்ல என்ன பண்ணுங்க? ஓப்பனிங் போட்டுருங்க. ஓகேவா? Now, how much is the remaining stock in hand? 1,200 kgs are there in hand. Now tell me people, 1,200 kg. First in, first out. Means whatever came in first, everything went out. So pending is there from which lot? Last lot. So come from the last. So last lot is this lot. This is lot 1, lot 2, lot 3, lot 4, lot 5. Lot 5 and lot 6. Motha evlo lot? 6 lot. In that, lot 1 is coming from the previous month or previous year. Current month purchase how much? 5 lot. So previous month purchase 1 lot. Current month purchase 5 lot. Total how many lot? 6 lot. So this 1,200 kgs are there in stock. No. First the stock will be there from which lot? The last lot will be pending. How much? 300 bags into 224. Got it, not got it? So 1200 kgs are there in your stock means 300 is coming from L6. அப்போ இன்னும் பாக்கி இருக்கு இல்லையா அது இங்க வந்துச்சு from L5. From L5 how much it came? 700. What is cost per kg? 213. Still you have how many quantity left? 200 kg left. That is come from which lot? The previous lot. 400 வந்துச்சு இல்லையா அது 200 is sold. Unsold is how much? 200. So unsold here 200, unsold here 700, unsold here 300. Total 1200. So what is the cost? 220. Whatever individual value you get, no, total of that is nothing but your total cost of inventory under FIFO. And the rice bag order inventory value is this much. How much it is? In total, 2,60,300. Perfectly correct. 2,60,300. Got it, not got it. Monkey fellows, don't laugh like this. The entire class is getting distracted. Donkey, donkey, donkey. We'll do one thing. We'll stop the class, let these two people talk, fight, laugh loudly, then we'll resume arams. You guys carry on. We'll wait. No, genuinely I'm telling. हो गया? Okay. ये तो मैं भी कर देता अभी. Now, LIFO means what? Last in, first out. Means what? Last in, first out. Last in, first out. Last in, first out. Got it, not got it. அப்போ மீதி இருக்கிற ஸ்டாக் எந்த லாட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருக்கிற வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு? From L1 at least possibility is there that will be there in stock. So from L1 how many what do you call kgs of bag or bags? 200 bags. 200. What is the rate? 212.25. Okay, not okay. Out of 1200 bags, 200 is taken from L1. But what is the remaining from L2? How much? 400 into 218. Still I need how much? 1200. 200 gone, 400 gone. What is the balance? 600. So that is going from L3. So from L3, 600 into 223.50. Now if you multiply this, tell me what is the total? 267 500. 63 750. Oh, B is the correct answer then. 263 750. Who gave B answer? Jeshalyn gave. No? Who gave 263 750? Very good. Got it? Only people. Anybody got 263 750? Who got? Ishan? Nahin. You got it. Very good. Now 263 750 is the right answer. Got it, not got it. Now weighted average people. Weighted average. How to do weighted average? Tell fast. Weighted average. How will you do it? Do not forget to take opening value. So first Jan opening how much? 200 into 212.25. In your calculator. 200 into 212.25 m plus 400 into 218 m plus 900 into 223.50 m plus 400 into 220 m plus 700 into 213 m plus 300 into 224 m plus just m plus MRC now. MRC m plus kapra MRC 6 lakh 35,100. What does this mean? நீங்க டோட்டலா பேக்ஸ் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா? டோட்டல் பர்ச்சேசஸ் தட் யூ டன் ஓப்பனிங் கரண்ட் எல்லாம் சேர்த்து அதோட காஸ்ட் இஸ் 263,100. Got it, not in total cost divided by total bags. How many total bags? 200 plus 400 plus 900 plus 400 plus 700 plus 300. Total bags how much? 2,900. Now this rate what you get is called as weighted average rate. Weighted average rate 219. Got it? Ipo I need to know the value. How will I get it? 3,000 kg is there in the godown. What is the average cost? Weighted average cost per bag? 219. Got it, not got it. So into 219, how much it is? 1,200. I'm so sorry. You have 1,200 kg bags in your godown. What is average weighted average cost per bag? 219. How much is the total? 2 lakh 62,800. 2 lakh 62,800. Any difficulties here? So total purchases including opening stock, you'll get value. Divide by total quantity purchased. I'll get weighted average rate. WAR stands for weighted average rate. So once you get the closing quantity multiplied with the weighted average rate, you'll get the closing stock cost. Now people, simple average. How do you do simple average? Total rate. So opening rate is how much? 212.25. 212.25 plus 218 plus 223.50 plus 220 plus 213 plus 224. How much? 1000 1310.75. What is this? Sum total of all the rates. Divide by total of all rates. How much is the total number of rates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. R rating add பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Divide by 6. So what is average rate? Simple average rate. 218.45. 218.45. So 1200 kgs into 218.45. If you multiply, you'll get the cost. Got it, not got it? Tell no. That I have not done it, please add it. How much is the value? 2 lakh 60 to 150. 2 lakh 60 to 150 is the 140. Okay, 140 is coming. Please check. Hey, so correct சொல்லுங்கடா. 1200 into 218.45. 2 lakh 60 to 140. 2 lakh 60 to 140. Got it, not got it? So this is your cost of inventory under simple average method, where the inventory is maintained under periodic inventory system. Got it, not got it? A lot of people get confused. Why periodic? Why perpetual? When periodic? When perpetual? When FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SUM? Everything they get confused together. There are some people who complete foundation examination. They come to us with interno. I ask this question. What is periodic? What is perpetual? What is FIFO? What is LIFO, WAM, SUM? No answer. They're not able to understand when to use periodic, perpetual. What is the purpose of periodic, perpetual? They have no clarity. That level people study. I'm telling you, whatever we did in last class and today, no, in one class people finish it. One class. அவ்வளவுதான். But you spend good amount of time to understand if the question is twisted, how to manage. You may wonder, sir, this kind of questions will they ask in exam? Serialization 2, no. The manufacturer has following records of purchase கொடுத்திருக்கான். He's given all the information about purchase, no information about sale. Appo the inventory is 1600 at the end of the month. What method they have followed? Periodic. Takadin answer varudha. That is because we have slowly, gradually understood the concept. A lot of people don't even know we have to apply perpetual periodic concept here. They'll just by heart, they'll see this tabular column, multiply, get the answer. So the quantity is coming because of periodic method. Got it, not got it? Okay. ரெண்டாவது, please tell me, calculate the value of inventory that they're telling using either FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SUM. Have they mentioned anything? No. So you're supposed to apply assumption. You're supposed to apply assumption. In exam, it will not come like that. In exam, they'll explicitly tell you, apply FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SUM. Explicitly, they'll tell you, here they forgot to add. So they have solved using FIFO. So whatever you have studied is there in your ICI module. Same way, if you go to illustration 4, same example of illustration 2. Do it using average price method. Do it using average price method. Which average? Simple average. Add all the rate, divide by 5. Simple rate. புரிஞ்சுதா? Example, I'll do all this in next class. We'll do fastly, but we'll do. I'm just telling you, look at the way they've given the questions. It is all scattered. It's not organized. What did I do? I took one question. I did that into 8 parts. The first question நம்ம இன்னைக்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம்ல, we started perpetual. In perpetual, the same question. How do you do it? FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SUM. I put the concept very nicely in your mind. ஒரு flowல போட்டிருக்கேன். Same question if it is coming in periodic. Then FIFO, LIFO, WAM, SUM. How to do? I put the data in your mind. Now in the exam, if they ask you scattered way also answer, you'll be able to process in your mind. So in total, how many cases are there? 8 cases இருக்கு. Perpetual 1 into 4. perpetual 4 cases, periodic 4 cases, 4 plus 4, 8 different varieties of question is possible. Unfortunately, all the 8 they have not covered. Only few they have covered. So if whatever is there in illustration, if I take that alone, will things go to your mind? இப்போ 8 மெத்தட்ல அவன் 4 மெத்தட் எடுத்திருக்க அப்படின்னா மீதி 4 எக்ஸாம்ல வராதுன்னு சொல்ல வரீங்களா? இட் கேன் கம். If it comes, how will you apply your mind? Because you've not done any question, no? So mind ஓடாது. So when new question comes, we get scared. ஐயோ எப்படி பண்றது தெரியலன்னு சொல்லி விட்டுட்டு போயிடும். But it's very easy. So for me, I've covered all the 8 varieties for you. Let them ask whatever they want to ask. You will be still in position to do it. You see, no, in illustration 3, they've asked, என்ன தெரியுமா? Take previous example. What is previous example? Illustration 2. அதே வந்து நீங்க perpetual பண்ணுங்க. Under LIFO. Under LIFO. Illustration 2, what are they asking? Periodic FIFO. Illustration 3 is perpetual LIFO. இந்த flowல பண்ணாதான் புரியுமா உனக்கு? That's why I took only one example. I did all the 8 varieties so that you understand what is what. Illustration 4 talks about periodic simple. Random scatter கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So I've done a beautiful organization of data in your mind. Got it, not got it. So all this illustration, we'll do it. Next class? Okay. Can you try this question from your end once? I will do it. If you get the answer, I will just brush through the answer very fastly to cross check. But can you do it? Because I feel with whatever efforts that I've put today, you will be in position to manage illustration 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Up to 5 you can manage. So illustration 2, 3, 4, 5, please take it as homework. I will do it. In next class, initial 1 hour, I'll spend on this and wind up this historical cost method. Clear? Okay. So next class, when are we meeting? Thursday we have holiday. Saturday we'll meet. Saturday, what time? Saturday you have Nishit sir's class? Is there, no? Upon 5 o'clock we'll start. Correct? Humble request. If sir class is getting over by 4:45, 4:50, don't go for tea break. Get your tea order here. While doing class, please have tea, coffee. I have no problem. Why? Because 5 to 7, I get only 2 hours to complete your class. We cannot wait till 5:30 for people. Got it? So 5 o'clock dot, I will start on Saturday. So guys, let's wind up. That's all from my side for this session. I will see you all in the next class, which is Saturday, 5 p.m. sharp. Until then, bye-bye. See you. Take care. Thank you so much. Thank you.